This is a Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour of a 2007 Bluebird All-American.
Alright, so this is a 32 passenger 2007 Bluebird All-American 32 pack. Let's check it out. Alright, so come back inside. Tires around 25 to 17 seconds. Yeah, let's get back inside. So first thing first, definitely drive up at the men. We'll go into the driver area first. Street. And we got the seating right here. That's the radio times.
The miles are around 487,9004 miles. So that's right here in the passenger area. Alright, in the back here, this is a 32 passenger. Look at this Bluebird All-American here. All these things are never doomed. In the back holdings, the whoops and tears and guys like that. And that'll do it for the inside. Here we go.
Alright, so this is probably the Caliper C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine.
Got the intercomex mirror, fans number 1 and number 2, dumb lights. Alright, now we do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside.
So you'll see the tires on this tool. Alright, so let's check on the diesel. Let's see, emergency exit door on the highway. Let's see, look at the rear, driver's side doors here. And that's been over as the front.
Driver's side tire.
Well, thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales
Explosive video tour.
If you like this bus or anything best to call out to 1-800-221-2009. Please subscribe to everybus.com. More e-sales
And daybus.com. Thanks for watching.